Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody, and this is my first official full Christmas tree tutorial. Now before I begin on the Christmas tree tutorial, I need to let you guys know that I decorated this entire tree with my tag on my pajamas. So you're going to see the tag hanging from my pajamas throughout this video. Charge it to my head, not to my heart. I still decided to post it. So anyway, the first thing that I do when I'm decorating my tree is, of course, put it up and fluff it. And I did a video on that. I'll place a link below to the fluffing of this tree. And after that, I go ahead and add extra lights. Sometimes I add the flashy lights, but in this case, I just added the same color lights as the tree. And I think I added like 3 strings. They were really short strings, but anyway, it added that extra light effect to my tree. So once I get all my lights added, then I go in with these boas. Now I've had these boas for a couple of years. I purchased them from Hobby Lobby. And so what I do is I use these boas as fillers to fill in my tree. Plus you get that extra snow effect in your tree. So I just take them and wrap them around the tree. Once I get to a certain portion of the tree, I start to like stuff it in the tree. And then I'm also going to stuff some extra pieces within the tree because I don't like being able to see through my tree. Like if I can look through my tree and see the wall on the opposite side, I don't like that. So I will actually use some more boas to hide the middle portion of my tree. And after I do that, I'm going to take some poinsettias, some blue poinsettias that I purchased from Craftex Warehouse, and I'm going to take them and position them down the tree. I'm going to try to do a little swoop, but my swoop is not going to really come out as a swoop, but I'm going to love the way it looks. And then I'll just go ahead and start adding other ornaments to the tree. Totally forgot about my ribbon. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna use it. Okay, love, so this is just in case someone wants to hear where the items came from again. So the picks that's in the topper, the silver ones came from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. The blue picks came from Wayfair. My ribbon here actually came from Craftex. These actually came from Macy's. The small silver ones came from Home Goods. This ornament here actually came from Z Gallery. The poinsettias here actually came from Craftex. They're much prettier in person. The balls here came from Craftex. These balls also came from Craftex. These little cute icicles here came from Z Gallery. The actual garland here, this beautiful bling Victorian garland here, actually came from Z Gallery a couple years ago. And these little picks here came from Macy's. And let's see here. This ornament here came from Macy's. And I think that's all that I have going on the tree. There's nothing else. You may see a couple more items here. These came from came from At Home. And this also came from At Home. The bigger balls came from Craftex. This reindeer here actually came from Craftex. The one in the middle here came from Home Goods. The other one here came from Z Gallery. So that sums up this tree. Comment below if you want me to show you all a tutorial on how we got this ornament to spin. I'll be happy to share it. I can share it in a reel if possible. If not, just a really short, quick video. Okie dokie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.